Hello everyone. Welcome back to Playwright from Zero to Hero. In this lesson, we will cover the components you need to install on your computer to use the Playwright framework. Required components are Node.js to run the TypeScript or JavaScript application. We use this thing. Git to download test applications from GitHub and work with the repositories. We use Git. Visual Studio is our code editor and the Playwright extension, a VS Code extension to enhance Playwright functionality. Let me show you how to download and install Node.js. Search for Node.js in your Google search and select the link nodejs.org. Download the LTS version. Don't download the latest version. Download just to don't download the latest version, just download the lesser version, which is to avoid the compatibility issue. After downloading, install it by clicking on just next button. It's just you have to follow the just standard installation process by clicking through the whatever the next prompts comes in order to install. Since I already installed this thing on my computer, so I'm not showing you that thing. The next thing is installing Visual Studio Code and Git. So again, go to the Google search and search with VS Code and visit code.visualstudio.com. Download, if you are installing for Windows, download this thing and just click on this download and follow the installation process. Again, the same by following through the prompts and clicking on next. It will be very easy. The next thing is Git. We have to install search with the keyword Git and go to this site Git hyphen scm.com and click on this link and based on your computer configuration download. If your computer is 32 bits, then download this thing. If it supports 64-bit, then download this thing and install accordingly by following the prompts, as I said. Now, once your Visual Studio is installed, open the Visual Studio and click on File and make sure this checkbox is checked. This we have to auto save. So whatever the code you are writing, it will auto save so that in between, like you are writing the script or something like that, your laptop switched off, like you have written like 100 lines of code. So in order to avoid that thing, so always make sure to check this auto save. Now we have to make just in order to make sure Node and Git is installed properly, just go to the terminal from here, click new terminal and run this command node-v. You can see if it is installed, it will show the what is the version it or with the version number it will show. Similarly for the Git, you run the command git-v. You can see the Git version after it is installed. Now, the last thing, as I said, like we have to install the Playwright extension also. So for that, click on this extension icon and search with Playwright. Okay, and you have to download this thing, which is Microsoft Check. So you have to download this thing called Playwright Test for VS Code, which is provided by Microsoft.com. Just install, after installing, you can see there is one icon will show up here. Let me just install here. You can see it got installed successfully. That's it for this class. See you in the next lesson.